Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you so much again for joining me here. Hope you're having a great day. Let's take another look here at Avalanche, see what's up with AVAX. It's still in a descending trend, so honestly this isn't like going to be a phenomenal analysis as far as like telling you what you want to hear. I'm not going to say that we're just going to break out and go to the moon. I'm sure there's some people telling you hidden bullish divergences and all this crap, but the truth is we want to pay attention to local liquidation and just kind of understand and be realistic with our levels here. First of all, hit the like button, comment below. Really appreciate you doing that. Do that every single video, and I really could maybe get this in front of more people to help them stop getting destroyed by moon boys. All that being said, $18 to $19 is that local area of liquidation. There's a solid chance we may see a run towards 19 or 20, just based on the simple fact that there is a lot of liquidation there. And for the most part, today we're noticing altcoins starting to break free from Bitcoin. Bitcoin's been stuck on stupid for about 5 trading days now, and most alts are like kind of done pulling back. They're finally starting to leg up. Keep in mind, low volume weekend, folks. It's very high risk to take a long position right now. Just depends on obviously the coin you're trading. There's what, 2 of them, Solana and XRP today. Those are the only 2 I see that have good breakout potential or have already broken out. But with AVAX, we still have more shorts than longs in the market. Liquidation short delta is higher, so it's not a good sign for longs. Overall, too, as well, we've got $18 and $17.60 as those 2 areas of open interest. So we're kind of stuck in that range, if you will. Until we break above or below either one of those, we want to presume those ranges will continue. From a macro scenario here, once more, the 20-day SMA, kind of the first initial trends that are letting us know that we're below the descending trend. Okay, it doesn't take a rocket scientist to see lower highs here and lower lows being established. What we need to see is a closure above 1830, this local high here, to be able to continue further up. Right, that's generally what you look for. Bullish backtest of the current resistance range. We're not seeing that just yet, but that is something we want to be paying attention to. Everything else on the daily time frame looks fairly bearish, though. There's not much really to note there that's like super awesome or amazing. We take a look here. Let's recognize a couple of things first of all. When it comes to the 4-hour time frame, we are above the 20 and the 50-day SMA. That's all well and good. Most 4-hour time frames are going to show that we have bullish convergence. So these are nice. These are not hidden. They're very clear and transparent, and letting us know that further upside on the short term makes sense. However, just be mindful that the larger time frames are telling us that we have a significant amount of resistance above us, specifically in this 18 to 19 cent range. Sorry, $18 to $19 range. So what does that mean for us? Well, the truth is you probably want to consider waiting until those levels hit in order to consider a short, or more importantly, break above the local high here as a new low and essentially consider entry there where we break free from that descending trend. Okay, and that, a lot of this requires patience. I know it's not the common trader's strength, so just be mindful that the longer you wait, the better off you're going to find better opportunities, but you're going to have less of them. Okay, and that's just kind of the way that it goes. I only sent out 3 trade signals this week, and I tell you what, they worked out pretty well. Bitcoin long 40%, 89% from SCI long, and ETH 62%. So I'm happy about that because it took us a little while to find those entries, but the truth is we're finding more favorable trades just based on being more patient. If you want that for yourself, CryptoCache.tech is a site. Link down below, check it out. Also join us over at Bitunix too, folks. Phenomenal exchange, no KYC or VPN required. Nice promotional benefit between now and July 25th. Last but not least, Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. Everything's available there for you if you want it. I look forward to working with you. Hope you have a good rest of the day. Thanks so much for your time. Take care.